What's the best accessory for your 360 camera? Let's find out. So Christmas has been and Santa's came knocking on your door and he's given you a very nice 360 camera, which you very much enjoy. But now you're surrounded by wanting more. I need more accessories for my 360 camera. I need more 360ness. But what should you buy? Well, it is a bit of a minefield out there, and there's lots of accessories, from selfie sticks to sticks with batteries in so you can keep the 360 camera going. There's invisible selfie sticks. I've seen this before somewhere. Oh yeah, it's a waterproof case. But which is the best accessory? Well, there's kind of two. I did a video just the other day regarding the invisible selfie stick. Now that for me is a key bit of 360 kit. It gives you this kind of camera view you just can't get any other way. The only way you can get it is by using an invisible selfie stick. So we tried out two the other day, and this is kind of like the proper review of the actual sticks. Now the Insta360 has one made of aluminum, and there's also one made of carbon fibre. As to which one I'd pick, I would probably go for the aluminum one. It is, I don't know, for the extra money, I find the carbon fibre one very fiddly. So I would definitely say to pick the aluminum one. Now why is this better than say this Camkix one? The Camkix one's bigger. Look at the ends. That's the key for the invisible selfie stick. You need something that's really small. This will work with pretty much all 360 cameras and give you that floating camera view. But that isn't the best accessory for a 360 camera. Oh no. I'll show you what the best accessory is. It's this amazing object that I require for my 360 world. Well, I'll show you. It's a stool. So you must be thinking he's gone mad. A stool? Why would a stool be useful? Well, the stool, you see, is perfect because it rotates. So when you're sat there doing your professional footage or editing, you sit in the middle, it rotates round, and off you go. You can get that perfect crisp view. It's always in the same location and just works, like we are now. So here we go, and we're going to reframe it, and it just moves around perfectly. You see? See how smooth and cinematic that is. All thanks to my stool. But out of all the things I've bought, and all the things I've ever used, I've found the rotating stool or chair is just perfect. You can frame up your shots and you just get that amazing, perfect view all the time. When you use your hands, they do shake quite a bit, and it's hard, especially you do like a longer video, it's hard to keep it all in focus or not to judder around, where the stool, it's like smooth, it's silky, it's perfect. So that's my personal tip on the best thing to buy if you've just got a 360 camera. So why is the stool so handy? Well, I'll explain. 360 video is very popular, but my personal recommendation is using a 360 camera just how you may be using it in an overcapture mode. This is a mode where we're just going to take a fragment out of actually what we filmed just for the particular scene. So it's great, we film in 360, then we reframe it or overcapture or whatever your device calls to give you that individual look. Now the problem with this is when you do it with your hand stood up, you don't always get it's hard to get smooth transition, especially if you're spinning around or you're doing anything like that. Whereas the stool, which rotates, is ideal for this. You sit on the stool and you reframe your shot. And because the stool spins perfectly at the point where you started, may I add, you get that wonderful, smooth, sweeping 360 view. So if you haven't got a stool, you could also use a rotating office chair or anything like that. The stool's handy because it's only small. I've used the stool for all my 360 rotation videos, and it just is seamlessly smooth and perfect, and you just get wonderful results. I've tried doing the same results, stood up when I've been away, maybe on holiday or somewhere, and I want to recapture this moment, and my arms don't really work quite right, whereas the stool I can tuck in, I'm comfortable, and I've got such a steady hold on that shot. It's beautiful. Then I just move slightly, and because my arms aren't moving from my chest and my bum's still in the same location, everything is absolutely perfectly smooth. So that's what I would recommend. So there's loads of different accessories out there, as I've said. I do like the invisible selfie stick. I find it really, really useful. That's probably up there. That's probably, I don't know if that's one or two. These two work perfect because you do the overcapture and you move it around. And don't forget, guys, that invisible selfie stick works with any camera, providing it's smaller than what it's meant to be fitting on. That's the problem with the bigger one, you see. This head is so small, so whether you've got, whatever, a Theta V, you see how it just fits in there perfectly, just smaller. An Insta160 3X, or whatever they're called nowadays, it will fit in. A Nikon key mission, get the size of this. It just fits in there, and they're all going to give you that invisible selfie look. So, there we go. That's my own personal view of the best accessory for a 360 camera. Now, a lot of you will think that's not the best accessory for a 360 camera, but out of all the things I've bought, and all the things I've ever used, I've found the rotating stool or chair is just perfect. You can frame up your shots and you just get that amazing, perfect view all the time. When you use your hands, they do shake quite a bit, and it's hard, especially you do like a longer video, it's hard to keep it all in focus or not to judder around, where the stool, it's like smooth, it's silky, it's perfect. So that's my personal tip on the best thing to buy if you've just got a 360 camera. Anyway, thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!